You are tuned into Vibration Frequency. That's vibrationfrequency.com. Follow, like, and share at Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Vibration Frequency. Feel the vibe.
Wolf, yes, yes. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that howl? Just gonna kick back for a minute because we live on the Wolf's Den, y'all. This is a special pop-up event of the Wolf's Den. You see what I'm saying? And this is some like we all want. Y'all want me to spit it? Fuck it. Oh, I can get it pop, yeah. I can be grimy and greasy, real easy, believe me, that's enough. Been on them blocks, trapping the spots, evading the cops till I got popped. My handcuffs is on my wrist. Sit down a minute, think about it while I'm in there thinking I got shit to finish. Earth needs me, Hancock, and I won't stop giving the props, throwing the peace and showing my love and all of the above. That's what I'm all about. Now let Wolf shout, I love y'all. Now let it trickle down, let it fall. Like the season, good peeps don't need reason to be nice. That's for them souls who's cold as ice. And I don't think twice, I got your 6 and take 6 more steps to have your 12. Mama, daddy, elders raised me well with integrity, which led to my humanity. It's gonna take the man in me to conquer this insanity. Tupac, we are one, y'all. Tonight on the Wolf's Den, we are one. Even though it's 3 of us, but we are one, because we're unified within hip-hop, y'all. We are hip-hop. And I want to welcome my special guest out to the show. And as y'all listen to my song in the background, it's called We Are One. We Are One. But we want to welcome my girl, Simply Cookie, all the way out there to the end right there. That's my love right there. I've been knowing her for many, many years, representing Detroit. Representing Detroit with me, my homegirl, my sister. All the way, she came in all the way from Augusta, Georgia, to represent for the BET Awards weekend, along with this very special, talented young brother right here, name of Von T, artist Von T, straight out of Augusta, Georgia. This young man right here is making noise. And once y'all see him perform today, y'all definitely gonna see why. And he got definitely brought his alter ego with him too. So when y'all see that, y'all definitely gonna know who he is, especially to all of those people out there that's been following him. And we got his live feed going right now. But again, round of applause for my man and warm welcome for Von T, y'all. And Cookie, the comedian, very funny comedian. But she's not doing no comedy tonight, but she definitely gonna be funny anyway. But she doing music tonight for a change. She's going back to her original roots, which when she came out here and done her thing in the beginning is how I met her, doing music. So she getting ready to let y'all definitely hear that other side of the talent on some music tip tonight. So let me get in with my people now. Since Von T is next to me. Von T, welcome to LA. I know you've been here before, but this is your second time around, but you're able to get it in and absorb more this time since you've been here. How you feel about it, man?
Man, shit been lit since I've been here around. Like last day I saw Mary J. Blige perform, man. I saw her, I saw Bree, Steve, man. I seen a lot of motherfuckers out here. We been riding around, like I seen the fans been reaching out to me, man. A lot of them been catching me and Cookie in the goddamn car. They talking about they see us in the red car. Hey, we just been out here chilling, man.
That's dope, dog. That's dope. It's social media, you know what I'm saying? People, you never know who out here watching, man. You know, you got a lot of people out here that know about you and shit. And that's a good thing and a blessing to have you on the show tonight, man. I mean, I'm digging it, you know. I'm digging your music. I'm digging your whole little alter ego and everything, you know, Venom, you know. And Cookie, I most definitely know about your music and you in your years of spitting lyrics, because I done spit with lyrics with Cookie. I done been on shows with her. She done did music with me, feature on my songs, you know. So she gonna definitely represent that tonight, and I can't wait. So what's been going on? What's been going on?
Nothing, just pushing the music. The music seems to be gaining a lot of momentum. So rap, comedy, and female, the only female that probably out here that can spit that shit. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, and the funny part about it is I'm old. I'm old as hell.
No,
I
you're
don't
not
give
old.
a fuck.
You're not old, just older.
I'm old to be rapping, but that's why it's rap comedy. But
No, you're
I
an
ain't
artist.
trying to rap here. I ain't really trying to rap. I'm more so trying to be funny with it.
No doubt.
You know what I'm saying?
But you're showing a style that
if
you still got
take it
legs.
serious, that's between you and Jesus. Because it's just really just some shit I just want to say.
Get off her
And I
chest.
put some lovely beats behind it.
For sure.
Yeah.
You
And, you know, I'm here too really representing Von T. You know
Okay.
what I'm saying? Because I've been, you know, to some platforms, being on tour with Cat Williams and Russell Peters and some other people I don't want to name because I don't want to. And so I'm loving seeing this brother right here just developed into such a great artist. He's an amazing artist. He's an amazing lyricist. I'm behind him all the way. And you know, he's very humble and he's street, and that's me. I'm
fresh as hell.
Yeah,
got all
yeah.
this, all this jewels
I'm
and
from
dope.
Detroit, but I'm allegedly would slap the shit out of you.
Hold
I'm
on.
just saying.
Hold on, let me just see something. Man.
The plug, baby.
You got the neckers on. It's the plug, baby.
Plug, baby.
The fucking plug, baby. I dig it.
You're right.
Gotta take a picture of that. That's just sweet.
I'm
Right.
gonna let you wear it before
That's
you sit
just
over
sweet.
with, man. I'm gonna let you wear it. Hey, Plug was my first single that ever dropped, man.
Right.
Oh, yeah?
Shout out to the niggas that found a loophole.
Oh, nice.
Shout out to the niggas with the loophole. Jay-Z said it the best.
Right.
First black billionaire rapper.
No doubt. So who doing your music and shit?
Get up on the
Shit,
mic.
man.
That's right. I can be funny.
Everybody, like, for me, I fuck with all kind of producers, man. Like, I done had niggas like motherfucking Ace Banks. I had Cash Money AP. But for me, man, like, I like to find producers and shit that's out there, that's up and coming, because if they up and coming, that means that they on the grind, man. They on the struggle.
They hustle.
And
They-
I love them.
they hungry.
I love them because usually that's where you find that beat that's going
Man,
goddamn
they
rock the
hungry.
crowd,
They
man.
putting the sauce
Right.
on it.
It ain't the nigga that's already made it. It's the nigga that's fucking working hard,
Yeah.
like me. So I understand where they're coming from. So
Mm-hmm.
when I reach out to them, that's who makes my music. I have beats by literally every track that I release, 7 beats, all of them made by 7 different producers. None
And
of them
see,
by the
and
same.
and once you got the status that you have, you know that you can go right back and pull those producers up.
Oh,
you know what I'm
yeah.
saying? You can
Oh,
help
yeah.
to create them because
Well,
you have the status. That's
I only got one
and that's what we have to start doing.
I got one
That's what we have to
producer.
keep doing. Once you get in position, you bring up the right people that you give them, just extend your hand, because at one point you were that person.
Right.
Somebody extended their hand to you. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Well, I want to shout out my producer, Win Deasy, Star Makers Global. Win Deasy be putting them beats together for me.
Dope.
And
Well, we definitely
he
gonna
been
use that.
rocking with me for like 3 or 4 years together. We've been rocking with each other. And
Did he do the ball till I fall
Yeah.
track?
Huh?
Did he do the ball till I
He
fall
did the
track?
ball till I fall
Yeah,
track,
yeah.
and I got a new track he just did called "I'm Checking the Facts." So I'm going in. I might even give y'all a little bit of it. I don't even know. I might even give y'all a little bit of
It's
it.
BT weekend, you know what I'm
Let
saying?
me
Share
hit
them
that
gifts.
with that right there. With that right there. Give me a little tap.
The devil's fire? The devil-
The devil's fire. Give me a little taste. Give me a taste. You know what I
That's
said
what
back
comes
in
over
the-
there, ain't it?
That's too much. That's too much. Look at it. That's too
Can you
much.
bring some cups in here, Rich?
That is definitely has
Devil's
something to do
fire.
with the devil.
That put hair on your chest, boy.
Yeah, that is.
Sheesh.
Damn, the hair just fell off my chest.
Wanna
Don't
send a
put no
shout out-
hair on my chest.
wanna
All
send a
the
shout
hair
out-
just fell off my chest.
We want to also send a shout out to Boss Lady in the building tonight, all the way from
Oh,
Augusta,
yeah.
Georgia. We got Butter Love. Miss Robin is in
Please
the building.
come over here
and
next
she
to
is,
me,
She is
Robin.
the co-owner and CEO of Butter Love, which is the Jokers Comedy Club. And that's out there in Augusta,
This
Georgia.
is my good friend Robin here. Robin, this is Robin Young. She is the owner of Jokers Comedy Club.
She's the owner of Jokers Comedy Club. So you check this out. If you're ever in Augusta, Georgia, make sure y'all go to 2507 Thomas Lane. Again, 2507 Thomas Lane, Augusta, Georgia, 30906 at Jokers Comedy Club. I've heard about Jokers Comedy Club. I heard they got some good talent that goes in there because my sister right here told me about it. I've even seen the lady do the interview on the news, and they did the like grand opening and everything, which was very festive and beautiful. You know, people came out. So, you know, that's a
And
beautiful
I'm
thing.
the host.
And Cookie's
Every
the host.
Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Cookie's the host. So again, Butter Love, y'all. Co-owner and CEO, Miss Robin in the building. Welcome to LA, baby. Pick up my BET kickoff weekend. I want to also speak about this. Let me show y'all real quick. This is the BET kickoff weekend featuring Von T. Friday through Sunday. That's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, June 21st to the 23rd. You'll be seeing this guy right here, Von T, at the big BET weekend events. That's the performances and everything. So, and look, we got him right here on the Wolf's Den. That's a blessing. Thanks to my girl Cookie over there. She put that together, made that happen. And so we here. You know, and that's what it's about. It's all about the network, y'all. So again, this is the BET kickoff. Now Friday, June 29th, 21st, excuse me, 29th. Excuse me, that's today. Friday the 21st, that from 9 to 1 a.m. they have the awards weekend kickoff. That's at the Sound Stage at 1763 East Olympic Boulevard, Alameda. Oh, that's in Louisiana? It says, no, that should be California.
That's LA.
That was a typo.
Everything, yeah.
Alameda, California. And then Saturday, June 22nd, is from 4 to 7, which is tomorrow. They have the countdown from 4 to 7 p.m. countdown to awards at Universal Club, 4093 Lancashire Boulevard.
Matinee.
And Universal City Walk.
So.
Right? And then Saturday night, they have that's the big night before the awards at the complex at 1000 West Magnolia Boulevard in Victory, Burbank, California.
Yo.
And then Sunday is the BET Awards at Faye Dodo's afterwards from 8 p.m. to 2 a.m., the BET Awards. And then at Faye Dodo's where they're having this performances. And that's at 5257 West Adams Avenue. That's right at La Brea in Los Angeles, 90016.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah.
So that's sweet. So shout out to Kovu1278, Ballhead, and Young K. Shout out to them, man.
Yo. So.
Flyer created by Mr. Von T himself. So
Yeah.
this is where it goes. This is how it goes, ladies and gentlemen. You got to be an artist of all different calibers when it comes to your career. You can't rely and wait on nobody to do your own work for you. You have to get out there and grind and do it. This young man is on his grustle, and that grustle is grind and hustle, combine, grustle. So y'all get out there, stay on y'all grustle, and get the grustling. You dig? Word by Ikkor the Wolf. Grustle. Education for the day. You dig? Use that in your music.
Get on your grustle.
Use it in your music, but you got to stay on your grustle. That's your grind and your hustle. You know what I'm saying? So, again, bam. BT Weekend kickoff. My man right here.
Yeah.
I don't know, Cookie might be on stage with him, too. I don't know.
Yeah, I am.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm on stage with him.
No doubt.
Yeah.
That's sweet.
Yeah.
All right. I might be his bodyguard or something. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Might be a security shit walking around. You know,
Nigga
artist
fit
turned
now.
security for a night.
So you
Nigga
better believe it.
For a night. You know what I'm
Better
saying?
believe it. Better believe it.
I'm on stage with
Fit.
him.
I just fired a guard, so shit, you know what I'm saying?
You know. But again, y'all, Friday, Saturday, Sunday with my man Von T. And he rocking the mic tonight too. So we're gonna take a quick break and get ready to set up the stage so he can go ahead and rock. Him and Cookie gonna do their thing. And you already heard me spit the first verse of mine. So just to give y'all a briefing of what I can do, you dig? Because we are one. We'll be right back, y'all, in the Wolf's Den. Vibration Frequency Network, vibrationfrequency.com. Y'all stay tuned. All y'all out there, Instagram Live, y'all stay right here with us. We'll be right back, y'all. We are one.
We are one together. Storm. Light. Stick in the room. Show it if you would. Wait. Peace. Streets. Call. Humanity. Man in me. Insanity. Tupac. Rest in peace. Over beast. State of mind.
Cheat. If you my dog, then I gotta ride with you. I ain't playing when it come to my niggas. I ain't playing when it come to my bitch. It's what you call a day one. If you my dog, then I gotta ride with you. I ain't playing when it come to my niggas. I ain't playing when it come to my bitch. What you call a day one. Say it, and we don't act hard. We work that out in the backyard. We put it all in the mattress. 'Cause we got it out of the mud. Got a problem we handle. We done slept nights in the bando. We never run out of ammo. All my bitches, they handle they scandal. In the club, we get lit like a candle. Illest love on my dogs, lose the Vandro. Call me once on my life in the sandal. That's what you call a day one. If you my dog, then I gotta ride with you. I ain't playing when it come to my niggas. I ain't playing when it come to my bitch. That's what you call a day one. If you my dog, then I gotta ride with you. I ain't playing when it come to my niggas. I ain't playing when it come to my bitch. What you call a day one.
Real nigga from the soil, they ain't loyal when it's war. If they ain't by your side, then they ain't for you. Cut different with the blood of a king, a nigga royal. I'm what you call a real day one. We been down since junior high. Never let them ruin this thing between you and I. see the real and the fake, that's for you to decide. Fuck the ops, it's 100, we true on the side. Real nigga, I'ma carry it. I fell in love with this life, I had to marry it. I put my trust to the side, I had to bury it. Real nigga for life, you better cherish it.
Yeah, that rolling cost a whole lot. Double R in that garage cost a whole lot. I remember they ain't fuck with me a whole lot. Now we in the strip club throwing a whole lot. I'm just standing on my ex, nigga. Fuck love, cut the check, nigga. Yeah, I'm just standing on my ex, nigga. Fuck love, cut the check. Yeah, I'm all out of fucks. Nothing left to lose, so there's nothing to discuss. Back against the wall, there's nothing left to trust. God grant me the serenity, I'm plotting on my enemies. I've been plotting on my enemies. Whole lot of money, make a whole lot of enemies. Fake friends with them vibes and that energy. Whole lot of money, got a whole lot of enemies. Yeah, that really costs a whole lot. Double R in that garage costs a whole lot. I remember, they ain't fuck with me a whole lot. Now we in the strip club throwing a whole lot. I'm just standing on my ex, nigga. Fuck love, cut the check, nigga. Yeah, I'm just standing on my ex, nigga. Fuck love, cut the check. Anxiety on 100, moving around like I'm hunting, moving 100 miles a running. Heart beating down my chest, mind spinning like a record. And I was thinking if we left them leaking, then would they respect us? I'm sick of sections with the battles and the models and the haters and the groupies so shallow. I'm sick of niggas that be lying a lot, like they buying a lot, or you trying a lot. Yeah, that really costs a whole lot. Double R in that garage costs a whole lot. I remember, they ain't fuck with me a whole lot. Now we in the strip club throwing a whole lot. I'm just standing on my ex, nigga. Fuck love, cut the check, nigga. Yeah, I'm just standing on my ex, nigga. Fuck love, cut the check.
Red on that bottom, that's a whole lot. I see that ass sitting in the Robins, yeah, a whole lot. Chasing bags, popping tags, a whole lot. Catch you moving iffy, grab that yicky, get the whole glock. Blow, we hit them up, black, we flossing. We be in the VIP discussing business with bosses. Ice on my wrist, ice on my neck, like cruising in that double R, changing up the street life, yeah.
Yeah, that really costs a whole lot. Double R in that garage costs a whole lot. I remember, they ain't fuck with me a whole lot. Now we in the strip club throwing a whole lot. I'm just standing on my ex, nigga. Fuck love, cut the check, nigga. Yeah, I'm just standing on my ex, nigga. Fuck love, cut the check, the check, the check, the check.
What's the definition?
Yeah, that really costs a whole lot. Double R in that garage costs a whole lot. I remember, they ain't fuck with me a whole lot. Now we in the strip club throwing a whole lot. I'm just standing on my ex, nigga. Fuck love, cut the check, nigga. Yeah, I'm just standing on my ex, nigga. Fuck love, cut the check. Yeah, I'm all out of fucks. Nothing left to lose, so there's nothing to discuss. Back against the wall, there's nothing left to trust. God grant me the serenity, I'm plotting on my enemies. I've been plotting on my enemies. Whole lot of money, make a whole lot of enemies. Fake friends with them vibes and that energy. Whole lot of money, got a whole lot of enemies. Yeah, that really costs a whole lot. Double R in that garage costs a whole lot. I remember, I'm just standing on my ex, nigga. Fuck love. Cut the check. Anxiety on 100. Moving around like I'm hunting. Moving 100 miles a running. Heart beating down my chest. Mind spinning like a record. And I was thinking if we left them leaking, then would they respect us? I'm sick of sections. With the battles and the models and the haters and the groupies so shallow. I'm sick of niggas that be lying a lot. Like they buying a lot. Boy, you trying a lot. Yeah, that really costs a whole lot. Double R in that garage costs a whole lot. I remember, they ain't fuck with me a whole lot. Now we in the strip club throwing a whole lot. I'm just standing on my ex, nigga. Fuck love, cut the check, nigga. Yeah, I'm just standing on my ex, nigga. Fuck love, cut the check.
Red on that bottom, that's a whole lot. I see that ass sitting in the robins, yeah, a whole lot. Chasing bags, popping tags, a whole lot. Catch you moving iffy, grab that yicky, get the whole glock. Blow, we hit 'em up, black, we flossing. We be in the VIP discussing business with bosses. Ice on my wrist, ice on my neck, like cruising in that double R, changing up the street life, yeah.
Yeah, that really costs a whole lot. Double R in that garage costs a whole lot. I remember, they ain't fuck with me a whole lot. Now we in the strip club throwing a whole lot. I'm just standing on my ex, nigga. Fuck love, cut the check, nigga. Yeah, I'm just standing on my ex, nigga. Fuck love, cut the check.
We live. We on 3 cameras right now on
All
the
right.
Wolf's Den. We on the Instagram with the Insta fam down here below. And then we right here high and live right here on the Wolf's Den on the Vibration Frequency Network, y'all. Listen, it's time for the performances. This is my dog, my girl, my sister, my love, Cookie, y'all. Give it up for Cookie. She got some hot shit she about to blow for y'all. Give it up for my girl, Cook. Von T coming up next, y'all. Y'all can clap out there. We can hear y'all with y'all virtual claps. We can hear y'all. Send those loves up there. Let me see them loves and likes on those Instagrams right now if y'all hearing this and seeing this. Show them loves up there and them likes. Let me see them hearts. Give it up for Simply Cookie, y'all.
That's what we do, right? We ball till we fall. That's what we do. Yo, I ain't no rapper, comedian, but I'm gonna spit this shit. Listen up, stupid clowns, while I rip this mic. Telling these jokes got you laughing all night. I'm one of the coldest joke tellers in the game. Cookie Hall, just in case you didn't know my name. I'm from the streets of the D, the 313. So you know there's a stage killer in me. Got you laughing till your fucking ears bleed. I tell these jokes like I'm selling dope in these streets. I've been doing this shit for a long time. I stay getting money cause I stay on my grind. Used to write for some niggas and made them funny. A couple of bitches too for that little ass money. I started this rap comedy shit before 2002. Been way ahead of you so-called funny clowns, so fuck you. Always quick to say I got your back. The only thing funny about you is the way you kiss a ass crack. Ah. Hey. You see a nigga kiss her ass crack with a remix, like remix this ass kiss. Your swag is whack like a bad dope sack. I got goons too that used to be with you that wanna break your back. I'm the black sheep of comedy, I'm Bernie Mac. Niggas using both hands to hold me back. Like all the ladies in the comedy game, damn shame. Cause I'm funny and you, I gotta play this game. Crystal, plastic, cup of paper. All you unfunny joke thieves can catch the motherfucking vapors. Glad all you Louis C.K.'s got caught. Now maybe some real comedy talent can be sought. Saying shit like there's too many females on the show. But there's never too many niggas though. Dudes flying they nigga with them all around the world. Got me thinking to myself, damn, where all the funny girls? That's why it's so easy that he say he is gay. No, he say, she say, cause you niggas with each other all day. Hey. What you gonna do? Nothing. Just be mad, cause I got a hit and sing the hook with me. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I'm glad I got a deal rapping these jokes. I get
What?
my bread. Broke ass, stupid, rubberneck clown. Give your
Yeah.
own self head. Don't want your little dead penis
Go.
near me because my pussy is valuable, clearly. Bitches need to boss up like Cardi B.
What?
Cash rules the world, ain't no mystery. You can't fuck with me if you wanted to. Cause I will Mandalay Bay you and your sucker
Blah.
penis crew. I will Suge Knight you niggas and run you over twice. I will pull the trigger, I'm from the D, I ain't nothing nice. I throw the dice. I'm married to the comedy game, throw the bouquet and the motherfucking rice. Oh well, that's what you get when you niggas play dirty. So if you want to catch up with Cookie and be funny, you niggas need to get up more early. Hey.
Until I fall.
Got my own background singers around this motherfucker. Got Von T in the back. We ballin' till we motherfucking fall. Yeah. Follow me on social media at Cookie Hall. Hey.
Fall until I fall.
Hey.
Fall until I fall. Fall until I fall.
Got my background singing. I'm gonna ball until I fall.
Ball until I fall.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I want ball,
Lost it right there.
ball till I fall.
Lord, I'ma ball till I fall. I'm gonna ball till I fall. Hey.
Yeah. Cookie. Von T. Ikkor the Wolf.
Ball until I fall.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Ball. Come on. Ball.
This got to be the longest motherfucking
Ball.
ending
Yeah.
to a song ever.
Because it's still balling.
In the
It ain't-
endings
it's
of the
balling.
songs.
It's balling. It ain't
Because
gonna
we
fall.
balling until we
Balling.
falling.
It ain't gonna fall.
And we falling until we
Give it up for
falling.
Simply C, y'all.
Man.
Cookie the comedian. That was a hot song, funny, lyrics, bars, you name it. That was it. I dig
What
it.
can I do?
And I got to put that song and my video and that video on my video show.
There we go.
So, the Wolf
Thank
Den
y'all.
10
Thank
videos,
y'all. I
man.
appreciate y'all.
Give it up
The
again, y'all, for Cookie.
The listeners.
Cookie
thank you.
Hole in the building, y'all.
Thank you. The
My
listeners.
baby. We'll be right back, y'all. We got my man Von T coming up. We loading up the guns, y'all. Loading up the guns. We'll be right back on the Vibration Frequency Network. This is the Wolf Den pop-up special, BET weekend. Let me get on 2 cameras, on 3 cameras. Here we go. Yeah, we'll be right back, y'all. Wolf's Den. We gonna ball till we fall. Oh, ballin', ball on.
Until I fall. Ball until I fall. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
What's the definition of it? What's the definition of it?
Yeah, yeah.
What's the definition of it? 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 What's the definition of it?
Don't know why they say they love it. I can't feel it when they hug me. Had to get it out the mud. Where they at when they get ugly? I ain't see them at my low. Why they fucking up my high? When I didn't have a dime, was a whole nother vibe. Had my back against the wall. It was all me. Money switched to pin drop. Then they came calling. Boy, these niggas tried to play me like Atari. We was down below, now bitch we ballin'. Throwing money in the air, what's the definition of it? Every night another club, for the repetition of it. Bands on top of bands, got a reputation of it. Yeah, yeah.
What's the definition of it? 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 Heard your homeboy was snitching. Tear the fuck up out my mention. Bad bitches like attention. Top notch, you got him guessing. Did it school and get your lesson. Feature me your biggest blessing. Yeah, I'm smoking while I'm rolling. Big cheap and yeah, I'm blowing. Ocean vibe, yeah, I'm flowing. Yeah, I'm waving, I'm pouring. If you grind, then you shine. Blow the shit up, Columbine. Go crazy in my prime. Bird talk, leave him blind. Call him dirty, but I'm fine. Add a ding to your chime. Throw it back, need a line. Pretty bad, but I'm kind. Southern talk when I rhyme. Say the fact where you crying. Definition my time. Heart specific, I need mine. Time is ticking, but you blind. Got the vision, who blind? What's the definition of it? What's the definition of it? What's the definition of it? What's the definition of it?
You better know this world these days can't hesitate. Yeah, heavy levitate, but no featherweight. My treble and my bass make big body shake. Music is my life, make it bubble, make it meditate.
Ha, B-E-A-U-T-Y, a little part of me. Who's your mama? That's the question. I bet she's sharp like me. See the future in them stars, diamonds pay my trip. Fetty in a leg like I'm so lucky. Vegas hits, avenues full of money. Best wanna take that ride. I'm a thriller home alone, so you know I'm a good time. Potentate to this one, I make it blaze like jet. Cause we're gonna take off, plenty time, gon' pay the rent. I be that one, fun apple tea, and we've only just begun. We thrown the air, we trust and dare. Invisible negativity, we never fair. Powered by the sun, waking up, I'm ready. Who need they candle lit? Who need they box right? Who need they cookie dough? We counting cakes right. Tryna live life stress free, no worries about money, no.
This world these days can't hesitate. Yeah, heavy levitate, but no featherweight. My treble and my bass make big body shake. Music is my life, make it bubble, make it meditate. You better know this world these days can't hesitate. Yeah, heavy levitate, but no featherweight. My treble and my bass make big body shake. Music is my life, make it bubble, make it meditate.
When they see you coming, do they know who they see? Or when they see you coming, do they point to 213? I always got $1 in the boat to flow. Never know when a nigga want to go. But if he wanna go, then I let him go. You see, it's nothing for me to get my ride on high. And I go hood the lead. Three throws in the coast. Every time I'm going to go, it's like it's Goldilocks. And I'm a 44. Drive outside, go high. I'm going down the north side, taking up a bite. Buy birdie in your two coat. Never go with coke on the lead stroke. Catch that tree cause it's money dope. Oh, I'm feeling so oh. Giving in my heart I sip it. And me when we 7 cause it's 7 and 11 and 3/4 and a 4 and 60 go. Bet on the hoe to hoe. Get that horse I go to go.
World these days can't hesitate. Yeah, heavy levitate, but no featherweight. My treble and my bass make big body shake. Music is my life, make it bubble, make it meditate. You better know this world these days can't hesitate. Yeah, heavy levitate, but no featherweight. My treble and my bass make big body shake. Music is my life, make it bubble, make it meditate. Y'all say,
for you. Right around town and I'm looking for you. And I'm looking for you. Right around town 'cause I love you, say. I'm driving down the Ave in my new Crest car. At the red light with my phone goes off. It's my road dog, so she wanna pop. Off when it pop like I get a pop. She mad 'cause she wanna get a revenge. And she wonder where will it really end. Right here, right there, everywhere, ready, ready, ready. I'm thinking about she wanna go out to the club. But she say no, not that. It's some other shit that's about to crack. I need you to have my kids in back. And if anything goes wrong, I'm handling that. But I wanna know if you're really down. Said I wanna know if you're really down. I said I wanna know if you're really down. 'Cause the shit about to go where and me gon' kick in the doors. It's like I don't know. I'd rather stand up than to say no. I'd rather stand up than to keep on going in the wrong direction. If you want some more, I said, I don't even play it like that. Dominoes fall, back crack. No, don't come in my hood. Talking about you ready and we want some good. Say, gotta flip it on the player shit. Gotta flip it on that player shit. If you don't know, then we coming through like that. Yeah, oh, 'cause we kicking out of doors, so no two. Kicking out of doors and you won't do three. Kicking out of doors and we won't do three. Kicking out of doors and I love you, say. Right around town and I'm looking for you. Right around town and I'm looking for you. Said I'm right around town and I'm looking for you. Right around town and I'm looking for you. Don't come outside if you ain't ready for the wreck long ride. Oh, we on some new. Get that grip, don't lose your clue. Say it's all good. Everybody know that it's all good. If you in the hood, then it's all good. They call it the ghetto, but we know it's more than a kingdom. Say the culture, don't mess with mine, I won't quote you. On that real, that's what I really come with. And if you wanna ask questions, then you sit in line and you wait. Don't ever wait. Less time to move, it's time to skate. Roller coasting, big shipping, big rolling, big dipping. Oh, coming round them hoods, kicking out that door. And I'm coming round them hoods, kicking out that door. And I'm coming round them hoods, coming round them hoods, coming around the hood. Be ready for, 'cause I love you. Kicking in the door, 'cause I love you. Be ready for, kicking in the door, kicking in the. I love you. I said I'm right around town and I'm looking for you. Right around town and I'm looking for you. Said I'm right around town and I'm looking for you. Right around town and I'm looking for you. Kicking in the doors, kicking in the doors, kicking in the doors. 'Cause I'm so true. Kicking in the doors, kicking in the doors, kicking in the doors. 'Cause I love you, say.
One, two. This is a West Coast ocean salty beat. See, I'm here for again. One salty beats. That's nothing.
On the behind the scenes factor of the Wolf Den. Thanks to my man Bon T and Cookie. But now we back live on the Wolf Den, y'all. So, talk to my microphone as my coach tells me. So let me go ahead and lift it on up. Yeah. I just have a little sense. Just had some cinnamon drink. It tastes so good, you know. Got me feeling good. It's a festive Friday. This is the BT weekend. And we going in, y'all, because we got a nice event this Sunday. Got my boy Bon T in the building. He's going to be rocking the show with us on Sunday at the private location. Y'all see it on the back right there.
what's up?
You got an RSVP.
What's up? Ha.
Got an RSVP. So, ladies and gentlemen, my man get ready to rock the show. And this is what y'all about to see this is like a preset for what he gonna do y'all Sunday. And all through the whole BT weekend. You dig? Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Bon T.
Yeah. 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 Hey. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Von T. Hey. Kovu 1278. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, I be dripping in cash, babe. I be dripping in cash, hey, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, woo, hey, dripping in cash, dripping in cash, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah. That's what y'all waited for, man. Hey, check it out. Hey. Running that shit cause I know that I'm with it. Talking that cash and I know I'm gonna get it. Pull it to all of these shows and I'm with it. Make a little dollar, my nigga gon' split it. All of my young niggas out here be with it. Hustling and hoping they don't get the Senate. Most of us don't even know where to quit it. That shit wasn't a nigga invented. That's when my niggas get cash. And we so addicted to dope. But then turn around, get in the club and blow the shit all on a hoe. 50 to come to the dope. 20s and ones on the floor. 60 niggas, 100 bitches, 80% niggas is broke. 80 niggas in this bitch, yeah. I think I finally found my niche. Boy, they done told me you a snitch. I took a home just off my wrist. Hey, I seen a whole lot of cash. Yeah, done did some shit that made me sad. I saw her mama act the ass. I'll be back in the flash and doing the dash. I run around the city to stack of the cash. Woo! Dripping with cash, I'm getting the cash, I'm getting the bag. You know they ain't ready, man. Y'all ain't ready, man. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. Woo! Getting the cash, yeah. Don't know how to add. We acting that F for the cash. Yeah. Dripping with cash, baby. I be dripping with cash. We getting the cash, I'm getting the bag. You know dripping with cash, baby. Hey, we live in LA, man. It's the BET weekend, man. What's up, man? Hey, y'all turn up for your boy. Hey. Every day when I was young, the motto was to stay in school so I can live as healthy and comfortable as the white man do. At the end of the month when the bills hit and the rent is due, got a spread a wave, I got a helmet ready to break it through. Hey, yeah. Economy out here be boosting his bag. This nigga is rich, this nigga never had to pay for shit. His family is struggling, I'm pocket the end, so fuck it, I guess, and I'm popping the clip. Shout out dance to my nigga today. Told him I'm out here, I need him to wait. I'm talking that coaching and heavy that way. He asked for a medal, I'll be on the way. Gave him the address, he put it in my plate. But now that the house is abandoned, okay. Gave him the address, he gave him the tape. Yeah, hey, ain't nobody fucking with me, yeah, yeah, hey. Dripping the cash, yeah. Ain't nobody fucking with me, yeah, hey. Yeah, jealous, yeah, strong, yeah, yeah. My niggas on, ain't nobody fucking with me when I'm putting on. I guarantee, nigga, I take shots of Patron. I'm moving really slow, but time me moving fast. I'm walking sluggish, boy, don't make me spill my glass. I'm walking sluggish, yeah, yeah. You spill my glass, hey, yeah, dripping the cash, yeah, hey. We be dripping the cash, yeah, hey. I be dripping the cash, yeah. That's what y'all waiting for on Instagram, man. Dripping the cash, man. Hey, it's the BT experience, man. We finna goddamn turn up, man. Y'all already goddamn got the links. Y'all already know what's up, man. It's dripping the cash, man. Yeah. Woo!
That shit hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit hot. Dripping in cash, baby. We dripping in cash. You dig? Give it up again for my man Von T. I'm telling y'all, this is first performance right here in LA on today, 2019. So the next performance, he gonna be so turned up and go in there and kill it. Cause he getting, this is the playing field right here. It's the playing ground, it's the killing fields. Get him.
What we got, man? Hey. 4 tracks. 4 tracks. Start, dripping the cash. Extra up. 127. You know what I'm saying? We got a lot of shit for y'all tonight, man. Hey. Yeah.
Send me out of music.
Looking at my wife, damn, she's so fine. I hit up on her Instagram and then she blow my mind. And every time I'm online, nigga fall in line, try to wind and dime, but the girl there just decline. She hit the club and she out pound sign. The type of body that'll make a nigga leave a dime. She hit the club, nigga turn around, beeline, just to stand in line to vine, nigga fight K9. You waste your time trying to throw that bitch a line. You hit a landmine, push back headline. To fuck with her, you gon' need a cosign. Reject the nigga, hurt a nigga pride in his spine. She fine, so she ain't about a bar. She all up in the VIP, I pull her up a chair. She go to sit down, I go to whisper in the ear. I gotta make one thing clear. Yeah. Yeah. You a star. Yeah. Hey, yeah. This for every girl that's out there that's a star, man. This is what y'all asked for, bro. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. I'ma pull up a chair, man. I'ma pull up a chair for this shit right here, because that motherfuckers need to know, bro. I want a bitch to know, man. I want a girl to know what's up. She a star. Yeah. She Puerto Rican, but I met her in the coon. Down there in the beach, in the color boom. Then, vroom, kaboom. She sweep a nigga nose like a broom. Yeah, she tried to thing out the press room. Out the room, she was fine, never needed a cocoon. She do squats, ass sitting up like a shroom. Raise a piece plump, got the little bump like a plume. I wanna take that bitch home to my room. What she got between the thighs will ignite up in my room. The bedroom turned into a mess room. I consume what she's serving and I eat it up with a spoon. It's noon before she get back to her car. They left the panties just so I could put them in the jar. Girl, I don't know where you at or who you are, but my bitch was winning by a star. Yeah. Hey. If you trying to take that girl home tonight, man, I'm telling y'all, man, that's what y'all need to be singing, man. Y'all need to be telling that girl she a star, man. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. She a star, man. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Hold up. Hold up. Girl starting on way. She do anything that she do. I want her to stay. I'ma fuck that girl on a get it day. I don't give a damn what that bitch gotta say. She already know that a nigga paid. I got a lot of shit, yeah, I'm about to spray. I got the Glock in my Glock. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, you know a nigga got a cop. Who the fuck y'all niggas think you're fucking with? Y'all niggas know that a young nigga, yeah, spit. I do that shit. Who the fuck y'all niggas fucking with? Y'all talking shit. I don't give a fuck. I steal your bit. I come through the shit, yeah, I shut it down. I talking shit. Don't give a fuck. I turn a frown into a smile. Yeah, I turn that belt shit down. It's LA, nigga. What the fuck is going down? Yeah. BT, man. We don't give a fuck, man. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Star. Hey. Your girl a star, man. If you ain't never told your girl that she a star, man, you fucking slipping. You know what I'm saying? You slipping. Tell that shit to your motherfucking girl tonight that she's a star. Follow me on IG, Kovu1278, man. We finna turn up at the soundstage tonight. I got my girl Cookie Holloman in the Wolf Den, man. What's up? Hey, y'all come on stage, man. What's up, bro?
He ripped that shit. Say he ripped that shit. Say he ripped that shit. I hear y'all over there. Say he ripped that shit. Oh, cause he rocked that shit. He rocked that shit. Oh, dripping the cash, dripping the cash, dripping the cash. Whoop. Yeah, he rocked that shit. Yeah, he rocked that shit. He rocked that shit. Now we're dripping the cash, dripping the cash. Okay. I met her in the ride at the stoplight. Had about a minute to spit the plot tight, so I cut the chase. I'm like, hot, damn you fly. And what's your name? And now you claim she said it was yours. I said my name is Ikkor the Wolf. Hollered at you, and I knew I had you when I threw this smile at you. So can I call you? Run your numbers so we can meet up, eat up, get cool, make moves, and show you how I do. And if things is fine, down the line left, I might say I do. Until then, the time is now, and I'm just liking how you move the crowd when you step on the scene. Dudes they wanna holler, bras be looking mean, but you hear the show them all that you on Wolf team. Crush all their dreams. I know what they mean, and I see what they mean. You bling, cause you so fine. You's a dime, and I sip you like fine wine.
She was gonna come over here and spit.
Give it up for Robin, y'all.
Let me talk to Trap Comedy shit. Rest in peace, Ronaldo. Bring
all
it
she
here.
got.
Bring the Mac, who you?
We just having fun spitting, y'all. Go, Cook.
Let me talk this trap comedy shit. Rest in peace, Yvette, Ronaldo, Ricky Harris, Barry Mack, who you with? Hey. That's falling. It's okay. We ballin' till we fall. Green wall. I freestyle flow. Cause I tell these jokes. We with Von T. B.E.T. Niggas know me. 313, I'm from the D. This is a cold motherfucking beat.
Cold beat 1, 2.
That's what I was gonna do some lyrics. Some new lyrics. Wait a minute, hold on. Don't make me dig up shit like Oprah doing Michael Jackson. Cause the shit I say, I promise y'all to get a reaction. Don't let me get the Charlemagne. Cause the shit I say, I promise y'all to change the game. I know he like his tea stirred with a lot of drama, and I'm not scared to say what the fuck I know. On my mama, on mama.
Oh,
hey.
Yeah. And there we go, y'all. There you have it.
Hey, y'all.
Is
Von T, y'all.
the Wolf's
Shout
Den.
out to my boy, y'all. Make sure y'all tweet him at World Star. Come on. You know he the truth. Let's get him on. Let's get it. We with y'all. Thank y'all, man. Thank y'all.
Yeah.
We gotta
Make sure y'all follow Joker's Comedy Club.
Joker's Comedy Club, Augusta, Georgia, y'all. 2507. You did? Hey, y'all, and this is how we get down on the Wolf's Den. I'm in here hot, I'm sweating, we turned up, you know what I'm saying? It's Friday, BT weekend, drinks, smokes, you know what I'm saying? We live, y'all. This is LA, Los Angeles, California, and man, oh man, this is how we get down. Yeah, and this is how we get down. And this is how we get down. Yeah, we're gonna show you how we get down. Good night, y'all, on the Wolf's Den. Von T.
Good night,
Cookie
man.
Cole, Cookie
I
Hole.
love y'all,
We outta here,
man.
y'all.
LA,
Bob.
we out here all weekend, bro.
All
What's
right,
up?
and we live. Get all the way in the camera, y'all. There we go. Everybody wave, y'all. God bless y'all. First Friday, Wolf's Den, right here, Vibration Frequency Network, vibrationfrequency.com. I am your host, Ikkor the Wolf, and we are out of here. BET weekend, y'all.
gotta go.
Von T. Cookie.
Woo. 2-7. Von T.
Send me out of music.
Hold up. I been up since dawn, see the night before I had ran on.
Go.
That chick I woke up in bed, she said I fucked up her head, so I dropped her at the salon.
What?
I don't want to hooked on and I don't need no add-on, ain't no point to lead you on. Yeah, so when I hop up in the candy cutter, coat of crayon, I hit the gas, then I'm gone. You see, I been with my niggas, some killers, some niggas been riding with fingers on the pistol, the trigger drug dealer. See, we deliver with certainty, watching artists work carefully, pat me moving in harmony, Michael Jackson thriller. All of us standing like pillars, you moving just like the river, you looking real and familiar, the walking caterpillar. That's just a typical day, and that night at the so hey,
Go. Good night. Good night.
Turn
good
off
night,
the lights.
Yeah.
shining so bright.
Oh.
We saying good night.
Good night.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Said turn off the lights.
Oh.
We shining
Oh.
so bright.
Oh.
This money
Oh.
on blue. Hey, we in the daylight.
Ikkor the Wolf. VibrationFrequency.com, y'all. Vibration Frequency Studios. This is the Wolf's Den, and we out.